Whirlpool front load washer. Dealing with noise and vibration. Dealing with noise and vibration in your Whirlpool front load washer can be frustrating. These issues can interrupt your laundry routine and even disrupt your household. Fortunately, there are simple steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix these problems. Leveling the washer first. Ensure your washer is level. An unbalanced washer can cause excessive noise and vibration. Follow these steps to level your washer. Use a carpenter's level to check the level of the washer. Adjust the leveling feet by turning them clockwise or counterclockwise. Check the level again and adjust as needed. Make sure all 4 feet are in firm contact with the floor. A level washer distributes load evenly. This reduces noise and vibration. Checking for loose parts. Loose parts inside your washer can cause noise and vibration. Here's how to check for loose parts. Unplug the washer for safety. Open the washer door and check the drum for loose items. Remove any foreign objects like coins or buttons. Inspect the drum for any loose bolts or screws. Tighten any loose bolts or screws with a wrench. Ensuring all parts are secure helps maintain smooth operation. It also prevents further damage to your washer.